What is up, guys? Terrence with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today we are out in sunny Florida, so please excuse me, my eyes, they might look almost closed because the sun's right in my eyes. I forgot my sunglasses. But today I'm gonna be talking about the negatives of personal branding, because I don't have millions of followers. I'm not famous by any means, but there's still things that you have to deal with as someone who is online, putting your own presence out there, showing what you do. And a lot of people are actually scared to do that. They're scared to go out there, put themselves out there, talk about what they like and what they enjoy doing. And for me, it was something that was tough to start making YouTube videos. My boy Hayden sort of inspired me to do that. When we were in Miami together, he had his YouTube channel, it was growing. I was like, man, I need to get into that, because we were both doing drop shipping, so we had similar things that we needed to do, and we could provide for you guys to help you guys start making money. So that's what I did. If you watch my first videos, they're pretty awkward, they're pretty weird. I was pretty nervous in front of the camera. It was something that was tough to get used to, talking to a camera, then having to edit it and look at yourself. It's a really weird thing. So I would say the thing that probably affects you most is someone who puts herself out there on YouTube, on Instagram and stuff, is people talking trash in the comments. At first it'll start to get to you, but in the long run, you get used to it. People just comment stupid stuff, and most of the time they're people that don't even have a profile picture, don't have any information about them. They're just anonymous profiles, just talking trash about people because they can. And there could be multiple reasons behind why they do that. It could be, they're jealous of what you're doing and your success. It could be, they wish they were doing what you were doing. There's all kinds of certain reasons people could, have to do these things and make these actions. A lot of stuff is stupid, it doesn't make sense, and at first I would respond to them. They try to call you out, you don't even make money, they call you out, you don't even do this, your parents paid for this, blah blah blah, all this stuff. But when you reach some point of success at all, I don't consider myself successful yet. I have a lot that I want to achieve, but where I'm at right now even is really low compared to where I want to be. But a lot of people will still even call you out on this stuff at this low point of your success in your life. People call you out, tell you, this is fake, it's all rented. People call me out for renting cars in Miami. Yes, of course I rented a car in Miami. I'm not gonna buy a $300,000 car just because I'm in Miami. Miami's a great spot. If you have a cool car, or boat, whatever, it's fun to have. Why would you spend $300,000 and just bring a car to Miami? Obviously I don't live there, so why would I do that? So people call me out for this stupid stuff that doesn't make sense. And like I said, I used to just argue about it. I used to just go about it and engage in the conversation and just keep the fire burning. But now what I've been doing is just deleting the comments. There's no point in wasting my time, because time is money, and if you're wasting your time responding to all these hate comments, then you're wasting your time. They don't have anything else to do. They're trolls. What do they get out of this? They want your response. They want you to engage. They want to provoke you. They want you to talk back to them. They want you to engage and argue with them. But what I realized, you can't do that, because then it'll just keep going and you waste your time, and you don't want to do that. So really, that's probably one of the only negative sides. A lot of people, they're not going to talk trash to you in person. I've only had 2 in-person fan experiences so far. One time was in Fort Lauderdale at Supercar Saturday at Lamborghini Broward. I was there in the Maserati, and a few weeks ago, or no, yeah, that was a couple months ago actually, and this guy came up to me. If you're watching this, thank you, bro, I appreciate it. He came up to me, he's like, yo, Tanner, is that you? I was like, yeah, man, what's up? And then we just had a quick engagement, and then he left. And another one was where I live in my hometown in North Carolina. It was a pretty weird experience, but yeah, I'm not really famous, so I don't have a ton of these negative experiences with personal branding. But if you're actually famous, you have to deal with paparazzi, you have to deal with all these things of people coming up to you and trying to harass you and all this crazy stuff that you don't want to deal with. So for me, I'm lucky what I do. I'm not crazy famous, but I still have an audience that I'm able to share my life and my experiences and my connections and stuff with all of you guys, and I still have a long ways to go. So that's going to close up my experiences with negatives of personal branding and sort of how I've been able to avoid it and get over that kind of stuff. It doesn't affect me anymore. People comment stupid stuff all the time. Most of the time I'll just delete the comments. Make sure if you enjoyed this video to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.